Hello, Ethan.
What's cutting the chili?
Yes. What's the color of the chili?
Red.
Good job.
Oh,
Next.
tomato.
Wow, tomato. What's the color of the tomato?
Red.
Red. Very good.
No. Green.
Grapes. What's the color of the grapes?
Purple.
Purple.
It's a cold.
Yes. Right. Then next one.
Orange.
Orange. What's the color?
Orange.
Orange. Good job, Ethan. And then what's the next?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. What's the color of the mushroom?
Wow.
Brown. Very good.
Cabbage.
Cabbage. And what's the color of the cabbage?
Green.
Very nice, Ethan. Next,
Strawberry.
strawberry. And what's the color of the strawberry?
Red.
Red.
Sour. This is sour.
Yes. And then what's the next?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. What's the color of the watermelon outside?
Green.
And inside?
Red.
Wow, very good.
Now a green inside. Orange
Yeah.
Orange inside.
Yes. What is that black there? The black spots. What are those? Those are?
Seeds.
Yes. Very good.
Red seeds.
Black seeds. Good job.
Chocolate.
Yes, star fruit. Slowly.
It's okay.
It's okay.
No, it's good.
Now bitter good. Yes.
Here's some more.
What's the color of the bitter gourd?
Green.
Green. Good job.
Yes. Seeds.
They have seeds also inside. That's correct, Ethan.
No, eggplant.
Now eggplant. What's the color of the eggplant?
Apple.
Purple. Nice job, Ethan.
There's a crack.
Yes.
And that's white.
Yes.
No corn.
It's corn. What's the color of the corn?
Yellow.
Very good.
Ooh.
Yay, good job. What do we have next?
Carrot.
Carrot. What's the color of the carrot? What is the color, Ethan? What is the color of the carrot, Ethan?
Orange.
Orange. Good job.
Next, onion.
Onion next, yes.
Onion.
Onion, yes. What's the color of that onion?
Pink.
Pink. Alright, good job. Yeah, usually onion is like purple, dark purple. The real onion, Ethan. What's next? Ethan? Yes, the next. Next, Ethan. What is that?
Banana.
Banana.
Sun color yellow.
Yes, good job. Color yellow. And
No. Pineapple.
pineapple.
Color yellow.
Yes, color yellow also. Yes, very good.
Now, and this one, lollipop.
Lollipop. You love lollipop?
Yeah, what lollipop?
What's the color of your lollipop? What's the color of your green? What's the flavor? What is it? Apple, mango, or what is it?
Apple.
Yes. That one apple. Yes, good job.
Papa.
Thank you.
This is Papa Food.
Yes.
Papa Food secret.
Yes.